Bosch is the acknowledged worldwide leader in jigsaw technology, and the powerful 6.0 amp top-handle Bosch JS260 Jigsaw is another example. The Bosch JS260 Jigsaw features a heavy-gauge steel footplate that can withstand tough cutting applications, and a precision-machined plunging mechanism and low-vibration design for enhanced accuracy and smooth operation. The variable speed control includes a dial on the trigger of the tool that sets maximum speed, and an accelerator trigger controls operating speed. The Bosch exclusive multi-directional blade clamp provides superior grip of T-shank blades, while a toolless blade change system delivers fast blade insertion. The blade ejection lever eliminates the need to touch a hot blade. 4 orbital action settings provide different blade strokes for smooth to aggressive cuts, and an always-on dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. An ergonomic top handle and 2-finger trigger provide a versatile, comfortable grip. An easy access lock-on button is great for steady long cuts, user comfort, and control. The Bosch JS260 is a powerful, versatile jigsaw with an ergonomic top-handle design. So this is the Bosch JS260 6.0 amp top-handle jigsaw. For more information, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch jigsaws.
I've got Hitachi's variable speed jigsaw, the CJ90VST. This jigsaw is ideal for cutting shapes in various wood materials, cutting metals like mild steel, aluminum and copper, cutting synthetic resin materials, cutting decorative sheets and thin construction materials, as well as cutting stainless steel sheets. This variable speed jigsaw is lightweight and built for comfort, yet delivers an impressive cut capacity in wood and metal. The max cutting capacity for wood is 3.5 inches, and the max cutting capacity for steel is 15/16 of an inch. It is equipped with a 5.5 amp motor that can deliver up to 3,000 strokes per minute, for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 3/4 inch stroke length and features a 4-stage orbital action to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. The trigger can be locked on to prevent finger fatigue during extended use. To achieve the desired speed, you just adjust the variable speed dial at the front of the jigsaw. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change blades. An industrial strength clamp provides an extra secure lock on the blade, keeping it from loosening or popping out during use. The cast aluminum nickel-plated base plate offers solid support during cutting and resists scratching the work surface during use. It can also be beveled, which you can adjust using the included hex wrenches. Another convenient feature on the CJ90VST is the powerful dust blower that pushes sawdust and chips away from the cutting pad for a cleaner, more visible work surface. Being only 4.9 pounds, it is one of the lightest in its class to prevent user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the jigsaw handle absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting. The curved D-shaped handle conforms to a secure grip without being bulky and is comfortable when held in many different positions. It comes with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty, along with several accessories, including a number 41 jigsaw blade and an Allen wrench.
Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and versatile jigsaw without the cord. Introducing the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw, available as a kit or as a bare tool, delivering control, convenience, comfort, and performance in a compact size. The Makita Jigsaw is engineered for less vibration with 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting and 2,600 strokes per minute for fast, efficient cutting. Convenience features include a large trigger switch, the toolless blade change, and a built-in LED light. The Makita Jigsaw weighs only 6.1 pounds with an ergonomic grip and precision machined base for smooth cutting. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.